Everyone, I am doing well. In this quick video, I will show you how to check Venmo limit. So first you need to do is open up your Venmo app and then log in your account. Once you have logged in, all you need to do is just click on this setting icon at the top. Click on that and then this will open up this setting page. From here you have to click on this get help option. Now once you click on that, you will see this several option. From here you have to click on this first option, browse over FAQs. So simply select that, and once you do that, this will open up all the FAQs that you can read and solve your problems. But if you want to check your limit, you have to use the search feature, because if you try to search it by yourself, it will take lots of time. So to save your time, you can use the search bar feature. So simply click on that and then you have to enter limit, type in limit, and you will see these several options. So from here you can check your payment limit, bank transfer limit, card limit. So choose any of them that you want to check, and once you click on that, you will be able to find your limits. So if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.